Not quite yet. Alpine Pat here, Thursday, September 8th. And just like that, Labor Day is behind us and we are into September. What does September mean to me? The start of the football season and the start of season passes going on sale. I mean, when you look at the price of the season pass at Alpine Valley, I want you to think about all the amenities that we have to offer. I'm going to go through a couple of them. Number one is aggressive snowmaking. We are always the first to open and one of the last to close for the season to give you maximum amount of number of days to be on the slopes. 5 new snow guns that are installed on the slope to give us a total of 160 snowmaking guns on the slope. Talk about laying down a serious blanket of white. Doesn't get any better than that with that type of capacity. Another amenity is expert grooming. Get out here first thing in the morning. It's so soft. It's like the fresh groom is the best. In fact, some of the locals refer to it as the champagne of corduroy powder. Yeah, I like that. High-speed quad chairlifts. Do I need to say more? The only way to travel. A beginner area that is one of the best in the Midwest. In fact, they're installing a new carpet right now, a conveyor, which will give us 6 of them. I mean, we got more conveyors out on our beginner hill than we do than there is at Chicago O'Hare Field, you know, an international airport, you know. So I can't think of a better place to learn to ski or snowboard with one of our qualified instructors than here at Alpine Valley. Another amenity is a kick-ass terrain park. I mean, they have so many features there to challenge all skill levels. We got a full-service lounge for your food or beverage needs, and probably one of the most important one is a very friendly lift staff to make sure you get on the chair safely and to greet you in the morning. But I tell you, with all these amenities, the price of a season pass at Alpine Valley is a bargain. Shop early to get the best price. And if you do come out early, stop and do 9 holes. The golf course is in excellent shape, excellent shape. Hit one of them, hit the mountain bike trails. Do a hike. It's still pretty green out here, but I tell you, the color is going to be changing. Good time to get out here. But I tell you, I can't wait till I bend down and throw up some of that fresh manufactured snow. Maybe Mother Nature will dump us up too. I heard Farmer's Almanac, going to be a cold, snowy winter. So let's hope for the best. Let it snow. Think snow. Yeah. Hope to see you soon. Bye-ya!